everyone. When talking about Japan, most people only think about Tokyo, Kyoto, or Osaka. But almost nobody talks about Shizuoka. And that's exactly the reason I went there. I had no plan. I had no itinerary. I had no list of must-see spots saved on my phone, and even no Pinterest board to find some inspirations about it. Went there from Nagoya because I bought my plane ticket from Denpasar to Nagoya and just explored the area. So apparently in Japan right now it's Sakura season, and yeah, I'm gonna take photos of the sakura just opposite of my hotel, which is this. Wow, look at that. So traveling without research always makes me a little nervous somehow, but it always ends up with experiences that couldn't have been planned. And Shizuoka was one of the proof that this kind of traveling is actually memorable. And here are 5 things that make Shizuoka a bit different than the other cities that I've visited in Japan. The first one is Sakura without the crowd. I found myself standing under a full-bloom sakura tree with almost nobody around. No tripods blocking the view, no influencers doing the same pose in the same spot over and over. It's just me, the trees, and the kind of quiet that makes you actually feel peaceful and grateful that you're actually surrounded by these beautiful sakura trees. I sat there for a while, absorb what's in front of me, and people just cycling across the sakura tree, people having picnic under the sakura tree. So it's a really beautiful scene that feels like you're in a Japanese movie. And that's exactly the sakura experience I always imagined but rarely ever got if I were in these big cities. So the second reason is Mount Fuji with ocean as its foreground. For me, seeing it from the ocean was where. It really felt surreal. It looks like as if someone has just painted it. Number 3 is Nihon Daira. This is a really special place. So Cheryl, on the previous day, she went to a hair salon and the hairstylist said to her, you should go to Nihon Daira and you can fetch a bus for free from Shizuoka station. So Nihon Daira is a hotel and the bus is a shuttle bus for the hotel itself. So it positions itself on top of a hill and then you see the Mount Fuji. And what's special is on that hill there are some sakura trees as well. So you get the hill, the sakura tree, and the Mount Fuji, which is crazy. And that's the thing about traveling without researching too much. You can actually interact with the local people and they can tell us where their favorite places are. And Nihon Daira was that. And for the fourth reason, let's talk about the city itself. People walk at their own speed. Nobody is scrolling their phone while walking. Shops are unhurried. Streets are calmer. The whole city feels like it doesn't have an urgency to move fast. I could just stop in the middle of the street to look at something.
Hi. How are you feeling?
It's pretty good. What a great weather today. And I could just go to a park without the pressure to move on. And that simple change of pace made the whole experience better than I expected. the last thing that I want to talk about is its people. Well, my Japanese is basically non-existent. I can say basic words and that's about it. But Shizuoka is not a tourist city and most people there don't speak English and aren't used to dealing a lot of tourists. But I never once felt unwelcome. When you're in big cities like Tokyo and Kyoto, you can feel that they're less friendly as they used to be. But in Shizuoka, it's a bit different. I never once felt that I was unwelcome. When talking about Shizuoka, maybe Shizuoka isn't going to give the highlight reels that Tokyo has or Kyoto has. There's no iconic landmark like the Tokyo Skytree or the Fushimi Inari, but you don't need that because sometimes you travel just to experience the everyday life of people in foreign countries, and that's the highlight reel for me there. See you in the next one.